All right, this is a key fob for a 2017 Ford Explorer. Batteries are going dead on it, and so we are going to show you how to replace it. Now, you need a couple of things to get started. The first is you need a finger. You need a little change or maybe a screwdriver, and you need batteries to replace it with. Now, these are CR 2025s, all right? So right here at the top, I'm gonna pull that back and then try to pry this apart. It's a little tricky. There you go. Let's set that there. Now inside you've got your physical key, just take that out of the way. And then down here at this end, stick a dime or something in there. Should be able to just pry it apart. Should be able to. There we go. It's a little tight down here. There's a couple of hooks it latches onto. It gets really tight, but you can work it out. There's that. And then inside here, you got your batteries. Now, you'll want to notice this one, and that looks pretty bad, is this way up. So let's take out that first one and set it to the side. Then you'll notice this little piece of paper here, and it shows you right there, negative side up on the top one, positive side down. Let's get this out of the way. So you see that one is positive side up. Pry that out of there, throw it out of the way. All right, so positive side up for the first one. You can see the positive symbol right there. Put ye old paper back. Here's the new one, negative side up. It's best to press it in this way because you get a little spring right there. Let the spring work for you. And then here, a couple of latches. So we're going to try to hook these, press this back together. He says knowingly. There we go. It's a little tighter than you would think. Put the key back in. If you can't figure out that puzzle, there's not much I can do for you. And then hook it at this end, clamshell shut, and there you go. That's how you replace the battery.